If you are looking for an awesome golf hat that is super comfortable, adjustable, fits really nice and breathes, and also holds your tees, this is the best thing ever. I hate when I go golfing and I'm looking for a tee. I got to put this in my pocket. I don't want to put it in my mouth or anything like this. This solves this problem. You could literally, you'll see right here, these are the holes right here. So you're just going to pop one in like that, and then you're going to pop another one in. They do give you 3 of these, and they also give you this magnetic ball marker, which is nice. The back is also adjustable with Velcro. I personally like the Velcro. Instead, sometimes you get that like little metal thing that's really hard to adjust. This is just super easy. The hat's really breathable, obviously easy to adjust as well. So if you're looking for a great hat for golf, for yourself, or someone who loves golf that also holds your tees and is super comfortable, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.